How to dropship? That is a good question. I'm going to show you using a whiteboard here exactly how to do it. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need like a store. Okay, so we'll call this our store. Sorry about my writing here. And on your store, you're going to have products. So let's go like this. Here's a product on your store. PRO product. Now, where did this product come from? Well, this product can come from a wholesaler. So a wholesaler is a place like AliExpress or Alibaba, or maybe you literally call up a company. You're like, hey, do you mind if I dropship your products? Years and years and years and years ago, before any of this dropshipping even took off, I actually had a site called Best Trailer Hitches, and I was dropshipping trailer hitches, which is a very odd thing to do. But if you look at RVs that kind of tow cars behind them, they have trailer hitches, and it's like a high ticket dropshipping business that I was doing, and I used a program called Magento for it. This was before Shopify. So I actually had a deal with the supplier where I said, I want to sell your hitches online on my website. When I get an order, I'll pay you, and then you just ship it to the buyer. So that's what happens. So we've got products on the website, and then when an order happens, so let's say an order happens, somebody buys. Now there's money that you have collected up front from the buyer on your website. You take that money, and what you do is you go and you buy the product. So here we'll go to the wholesaler. Wholesale. Now there's a lot of apps too that do that. Supplier. Should probably type this out instead, but anyway. So the wholesale supplier is who I would go to, and I would make the purchase. But at the supplier, I'm going to give them, I'm going to do this. Maybe I'll try typing here. Can I do typing on this? I think so. So here I'll put mailing address is the buyer's address. There. Okay. So I'm going to take that order and I'm going to put it through the wholesaler with the mailing address is the buyer's address. So the product comes from here, goes to the buyer, but the buyer actually bought the product on my store. This is what dropshipping is. Okay, so now where's the money to be made? Well, the product here, so let's kind of go like this. So the product, let's say on the store, costs, I don't know, let's keep it simple. Let's say I'm selling a product on my store for $10. Well, at the wholesaler, it costs me less than $10. So to make this purchase, it costs me maybe, let's say $2. So I make this purchase, they bought from me for 10, so it's $10 in. I bought from the wholesaler for 2, so there's an $8 profit difference. That $8 is my profit on the transaction. So I'm kind of like the middleman between the buyer and the wholesaler. See, that's dropshipping. That's how easy it works. Now, you don't need to make these arrangements with the supplier directly. There are now companies that do this. And one huge company that does this is a place called, I'm just going to drag this down here, make it fit, AliExpress. So on this site, you can find virtually any product in the world. Let's check this out. If I can make that fit. There we go. So let's go here. This is one wholesaler in China, and what they do is put up a lot of pop-ups. but they have all these products on their site. Tons and tons and tons. So let's say you want to sell, I don't know, a t-shirt. No, let's do something else. Let's say home pet scrapbooking and stamping. I don't know, maybe dogs. Where's pet? Yeah, pet products. So let's say you do a dog toy. Yeah, let's use this. So maybe you want to sell, and you can sort by a lot of things on here too, price-wise. Let's say you want to sell this cats. Okay, take this one. So you want to sell this fish thing, which is like a cat toy. So it's going to cost you anywhere from $3.15 to $3.77 to buy one. And you do get a discount as you buy more. But you can sell this on your website for like $10 or $15 or $12 maybe. So the difference between, let's say you sold it at $12. If I sold it at $12 and it cost me $3.15 for one, that means I have a profit of $8.85 per sale. So that's got to pay for my ads and everything else if I'm running ads. But that's how dropshipping works. It's the meat in the middle that you keep and you put in your pocket. So if I want to order this off AliExpress, I click buy now. And it'll say, please provide missing information. So I guess I need one to buy. And then I got to create an account. But I can create an account. I can buy one. But look at this delivery time. 30 to 50 days. Holy crap. So the person who gets it is going to be waiting a long, long time for their little fish thing. So that is the downside of dropshipping, is the wait time. The way around that is to buy, say I'm doing really well with these, what's this even called? A wagging catnip toy. Say I'm doing dancing, moving floppy fish for cats with a USB charger. Say I'm doing really well with this. Maybe I'll buy a container from China and I'll ship it to a warehouse in North America. And I'll have that warehouse actually fulfill the orders for me so that people do not have to wait the 30 to 50 days. That's generous. It's probably actually double that in order to get their little floppy fish. Okay, so that's a little bit more advanced about how dropshipping works, but basically you're supplying products to people who buy them from your website, and you don't even touch the inventory. You don't have to. You can ship it direct from the manufacturer, the wholesaler, or you can ship a container to a warehouse that will actually package and ship the product for you. So those exist too. The pick and pack warehouses, they exist as well. It's just a little bit more complicated. But that's basically dropshipping in a nutshell. So you got your store, you got your products, you're getting your products somewhere else. When you buy your products, if you're going direct with dropshipping, you're just using the mailing address of the buyer. That's the basic gist. So you sell for 10, you buy for 2, $8 is your profit. That's what you can spend on like ads. You want to spend a little bit less than that on ads in order to make some money. So that's dropshipping. What is dropshipping? That's the whole gist right there. It is a business model. It's not my favorite. My favorite is print on demand because I don't have to buy the inventory. I actually do a whole different way. And I think print on demand is a little bit better than this. Anyway, if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, visit my site, and join the free Facebook group at ppc-coach.com/group. We'll see you soon.